Can you guess this animal before the sound ends? Listen closely. It's not what most kids think. Imagine a creature of stripes and might, a hunter silent in the fading light. Its roar can rumble, a fearsome sound across the jungle for miles around. But listen closer, a different clue, a purr so gentle, soft and new. It pads on paws, so light and fleet, a flash of orange, a wild, quick treat. What could it be? This mystery hiding in the leaves, wild and free. Think of the jungle. Think of the zoo. This animal's waiting just for you. Is it a lion with a golden mane, or a monkey swinging again and again? No, listen closely. The sound will tell a secret whisper, a magic spell. It's a tear. Stripes of black on orange bright, a magnificent creature, a stunning sight. From the jungle's deep to the grassy plain, the tiger roams in sun and rain. A powerful hunter, a graceful stride, with watchful eyes it cannot hide. So listen closely to nature's call. The tiger's beauty amazes all. It teaches us strength. It teaches us grace, a vital part of this precious place. So cherish the tiger, protect its home, let future generations see it roam. For in its stripes a story lies of wild beauty beneath the skies. Like, share, and follow for more fun learning. Discover new animals every day.